Hey everyone, my name is Jack.
And I am Olivia.
Welcome back to English Coffee Podcast.
Grab your coffee, relax, and let's improve your English together.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner struggles with. If you've ever thought, I understand English, but I can't speak fluently, then today's episode is for you. Understanding English is easy sometimes, but speaking English confidently, that feels impossible.
Exactly. You know the words, you know the grammar. But when someone asks you a question in English, your brain suddenly freezes. That used to happen to me all the time. Honestly, Jack, I think most learners make one huge mistake.
Really? What is it?
They translate everything in their heads first.
Yeah, that's true.
For example, if someone wants to say, I'm hungry, their brain does this. Native language, to English, to speak.
And that process is really slow.
Exactly. That's why speaking feels stressful.
And while you're translating, the conversation already moves on.
Yes, then you panic and forget everything.
And you know what's funny?
What?
Sometimes I can watch an entire English video and understand almost everything.
But speaking is still difficult?
Exactly.
That's completely normal. Listening and speaking are different skills.
That actually makes me feel better.
And honestly, many learners think they're bad at English, but the real problem is lack of speaking practice.
So how can people improve?
Start thinking in simple English.
Simple English?
Don't try to sound perfect. Fluent speakers don't think about grammar rules every second.
That's true.
For example, instead of trying to create a long, complicated sentence, just say, I'm tired. I need coffee. I'm busy today.
Simple sentences feel more natural.
Exactly. Fluency starts with simplicity.
I think another problem is fear.
Absolutely. People are afraid of making mistakes.
Same. I used to overthink every sentence.
And overthinking destroys confidence.
That's so true.
Remember this, making mistakes is normal. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
So fluency is not perfection?
Exactly. Fluency means communication.
Okay, Olivia, let's give listeners some quick tips.
Tip number 1. Stop translating every sentence.
Tip number 2. Use short English sentences daily.
Tip number 3. Listen to English every day. Podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, anything.
And tip number 4. Speak out loud, even if you speak alone.
Yes, your brain needs practice, but your mouth needs practice too. You know something interesting, Jack?
What's that?
Most English learners already know more English than they think.
I completely agree. Usually, the real problem isn't knowledge, it's confidence and practice.
Exactly. And fluency is built step by step, not overnight.
So if speaking English feels difficult right now, don't get discouraged.
Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Progress happens slowly, then suddenly.
Thanks for spending time with us today on English Coffee Podcast.
And if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more natural English conversations and fluency tips.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep practicing your English.